Okay, so Mr. Willie and Reggie, here is the bite and battle challenge for you both. You have to pick chicken pieces. Whoever will pick 2 pieces will win $200 and a Bitcoin. Let's start.
Okay.
Oh no, Ray gets one. Oh, he gets one. Okay. Yeah. No, I think no. I got one. Okay. So just for that. Let's see. Oh, we are both very close. Okay, Betty gets 2 and me. Okay, very good. Congratulations, you guys. $200 and a Bitcoin. Congrats.